So in last video what we have done is we have selected the theme for our website, and now what we are going to do is we are going to the different pages. So we might be familiar that whenever we go to any website we see their home, about us, contact us, gallery and many more web pages which has different contents in each page. So to do that we can go to our dashboard and click on pages. So there are two pages which are already here called private policy and sample page. So this page it is a sample page of our website. What we are going to do is we are going to add new. Just click on this add new. Okay, so our first will be home. To create this page what you have to do, you have to publish it from here, but before publishing what I'm going to do is write here something welcome. Okay, as I click on this publish, now it is being published. Home is now live. So as I click on update here, so this home web page is created in our website. So as I refresh it here, you can see that home is here, and we have also the sample page. I don't need a sample page for now, so what am I going to do is I will just delete it. You can trash it from here, and by this, poof, the sample page is gone. So as I refresh it here, I will just see home. Okay, so I will create few more pages for my site. I will create about us. Okay, publish and update. Okay, and one more page I would like to create. It will be contact us. So just publish it, and okay, update it. So I have created now different pages. Okay, so you can see here about us, contact us, home, privacy policy. Okay, so if I click on refresh here, so I have here about us, contact us, home. So these are the pages that I have created, but it is appearing as first about us, contact us and home. So what we can do is we can change the style of this menu. So what are the menus here? These options appearing here are called the menus. So what we can do is we can change this order, and we can also change the style of how they appear. So we'll talk about that thing in another video.